Imagine ditching HDMI cables for good. This KCEVE wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver promises exactly that, with a few extra tricks up its sleeve. The biggest selling point: it has a USB port on the receiver, so you can plug in a mouse and keyboard. This KVM function is a game changer if you want to control your laptop from across the room. The kit itself is pretty straightforward. It's a simple transmitter and receiver setup. One thing that stands out is the design. There's no metal shell, which KCEVE says helps with heat dissipation. It definitely feels lighter than some other wireless HDMI kits I've used. Setting it up is plug and play. Just connect the transmitter to your laptop or camera, the receiver to your TV or projector, and power them both with USB. No drivers, no fuss. The antennas need to be installed, which is a standard procedure for these kinds of devices. KCEVE claims a 200-meter range in open space. That's impressive. Of course, walls will cut that down significantly. They say expect about 30 meters, less range for every wall. In my testing, with one wall in the way, I got a solid signal up to about 50 meters, which is still pretty good. The picture quality is decent. It supports 1080p, and the image was clear and stable. They also mention 4K decoding, but the output is still 1080p. I didn't notice any significant lag, which is crucial for things like presentations or even casual gaming. The dual-band 2.4G 5G technology seems to do its job, providing a stable connection. I tried it with both a Windows laptop and an Android phone, using a USB-C to HDMI adapter, and it worked seamlessly. Mirroring was easy to set up on both devices. This kit is perfect for business presentations, home entertainment, or anyone who wants to declutter their setup. The KVM function is a real bonus, and the long-range transmission is a definite plus. Overall, this wireless HDMI kit delivers on its promises. It's easy to use, offers good performance, and the KVM function is a standout feature. If you're looking for a reliable way to cut the cord, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.